Senior.
The Ghana's High Commissioner,
Honorable
His Excellency Papa Usu Ankoma, leading the delegation. Now we have the former President of the Republic, His Excellency John Agyekum Kuffour, paying homage to His Majesty OTUMFUO UK II. He was the President of the Republic from 2001 to 2009. In his regime, Ghana saw a huge level of development. He's a multiple award winner, the former chairman of the AU, the former chairman of ECOWAS, the former President of the Republic of Ghana, His Excellency John Agyekum Kuffour. Today he's here as a son of the Golden Kingdom, the son of the empire that has stood the test of time. And among the delegation is the Honorable Minister for Chieftaincy and Religious Affairs, Honorable Asamoah Boateng aka Asabi, the Minister for Lands and Natural Resources, MP for Damango, Honorable Samuel Abu Jinapo, the former Deputy Minister for Lands and Natural Resources, Honorable Benito Owusu-Biu. We have a huge delegation from the New Patriotic Party, a son of the Golden Stool, Honorable Dr. Matthew Opoku-Prempeh, who is also the running mate to Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Bawumia. He's still the Member of Parliament for Manchia South constituency. You are graciously welcome as you serve your king with a humbleness, with dignity, and with pride. We are also celebrating the Seas of Akwasidae for the year 2024, which has also coincided with the 25th anniversary of His Majesty OTUMFUO UK II.